Brody Carpenter, Dredge Design. I thought of a tip while I was sanding parts this morning. Um, Last night, I got all of the joinery crisp and clean and cut and test fitted, and everything looked really good. And you might be tempted to just glue it all together because it all fits and it's the final looking thing, but don't do that. Take some time, take it back apart, and do all of your sanding so that you have all these parts easy to move around. You can get to all the faces. Your finish will go to the next level by just holding back, being patient, and doing the sanding. Now, I know it's not as fun, it's not as satisfying, but once you put it all together, now after it's finished sanded, you glue it together, it's its final form, it'll be leagues beyond where you were in sanding and the final finish. And then you don't have a big headache of getting to weird nooks and crannies. Hope that helps.